Howdy, Film Lit folks. Two things before we get started. One, I apologize for the brutal background here. These cabinets, they're not even nice looking. And then secondly, I apologize for COVID. I was super pumped to finish the Prestige on Friday. We kind of had some discussion, so on and so forth. And then move on to the reading. August 14th, however, you did notice in the module, that is what I assigned. So if you have not done that yet, you'll have an opportunity to do so today. What you will do for me today is you're just going to take a quiz. It's multiple choice. It's 13 questions. It's about the reading for the most part and just a little bit from the film. If you were not here, you can get all 13 without having seen the movie. So I believe the reading is something like 38 or 40 pages. And like I said, it's multiple choice. Novel by Christopher Priest. 1995, I believe, is when it was published. So you should have the link there in your quiz. It was also in the August 14th module. I'm really bummed that we can't meet in person for film literature. It's a class that really we need to meet in person. So I am going to do the very best I can to have some kind of, engaging, meaningful instruction, participation, discussion things. And maybe if you have some ideas, throw those at me as well. But obviously, it's difficult to really have the full experience virtually. I'm going to do the best that I can. But for today, all you are doing is reading and knocking out a multiple choice quiz. However, I would like to thank the following sponsors. I reached out to the state of California, specifically the Golden Gate Bridge, and they were very generous in allowing me to put together this wonderful one-slide PowerPoint in purple, my wife's favorite color. Kissing in the Rain, you'll notice at the bottom there. I had a weird thing for Kirsten Dunst as a kid, if you're not aware of the original Spider-Man there with Tobey Maguire. I think in another life, I'm into redheads. Don't tell my wife. We have Ralph the dog there, quite the athlete. Bruce Willis and George Bush were actually together when I reached out to them. So Bruce is just like, yeah, toss me in. Got Bob Ross there, who actually is dead. He's been dead for about 25 years, but his memory lives on in all the trees that he's painted. Mancino's, wonderful pizza and grinders, people. You haven't tried Mancino's, I'm not being paid for this. Reach out to them. They can make you happier than you currently are. And last and certainly not least, we have Blake Lively and her wonderful personality. Folks, if you have wasted your time with this video, I apologize. Knock out that quiz. Have a wonderful day. And feel free to reach out if you have some good ideas of some things we can do. I have some ideas in my head with regard to kind of some virtual film lit study. And I would certainly accept any and all input as well. All right. Good luck on the quiz. It'll probably be curved by maybe a point. All righty. See you later. We'll see you Thursday.